Ever wondered if there's a privacy screen protector out there that really keeps your iPhone 15 Pro Max safe from prying eyes? Well, I think I might have found just the thing. Today, I'm talking about the Ailun Privacy Screen Protector, specifically designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This isn't just any screen protector. It's a pack that not only covers your screen, but also your camera lens, ensuring full protection. First off, it's dynamic island compatible. What does that mean for you? It means that it seamlessly fits with the iPhone's new design, without interfering with any sensor functionalities. Now that's smart designing. Next, let's talk about the anti-spy feature. This tempered glass has a 9H hardness rating, but the real kicker, it's designed to shield your screen from side views. Imagine reading sensitive information in public without worrying about someone snooping over your shoulder. That's peace of mind, right there. And let's not forget the installation. It's straightforward, with everything you need included in the package. No bubbles, no fuss, just a clear, protected screen. To sum it up, the Ailun Privacy Screen Protector for the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers robust protection, privacy from side angles, and a fuss-free installation. For anyone who values privacy and wants to keep their new iPhone in tip-top shape, this might just be the best choice on the market. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget, your phone's safety is worth investing in. Catch you in the next one.